One way of taking your cookie decorating to the next level is by using texture. And here's a technique that's as easy as this.
Here's the cookie we're going to be making today. I wanted to add some visual interest by just doing half the cookie, give it a little texture. So we're going to take our parchment paper. We want to make sure it's a little bit bigger than our cookie and just crumple it up, give it a lot of wrinkles, and then just open it up. You want it to be reasonably flat, but also have some nice texture, lots of little folds and wrinkles. And here we're just outlining our cookie. And this is my piping consistency. So piping consistency is going to be kind of like toothpaste. You want it to stay where it is and not spread out. Make sure you touch up those little whoopsies. And next we're going to go in with our flood consistency. And your flood consistency is going to be a little more thinned out with water because you want it to, flatten out and smooth out. I like to start with the outside and go right up against that piped outline and just slowly work my way in. Around and around we go. Want to get that whole cookie nice and covered. Try to get all those gaps filled. And with my scribe, I'm going to go in there and just touch up any little bubbles, any parts that didn't smooth out just the way I wanted them to. And if it's not flattening out all the way, smoothing out all the way, I like to pick my cookie up and just give it a little shake. And now we're going to take our parchment paper that we've already balled up and gotten a nice texture on, and we're just going to gently place it right there. And I'm just going through with my scribe and just gently pushing it down where it looks like it's not actually smoothed down to the cookie. I want to make good contact. All these little spots. Great. Just like that. And this is our end product. What a cute little set.